Hey classifiers! Today we are going to learn how to classify an ice storm, one of the most fun storms to classify on Cyclone Center. So first we're going to want to choose the storm image that appears stronger. Few key things we want to look for when trying to choose a stronger storm image. First is the appearance of those colder clouds. It's going to be that blue color clouds, that dark blue being the absolute coldest. In this case, white is actually the absolute coldest, but we don't have any white present in either of these storms. The second thing is the organization of the clouds. How tight are the spirals surrounding the storm? Also, if it does have an eye, that is also an indicator that it is a pretty strong storm. So that being said, I'm going to go with the storm image on the right being stronger. Next, we're going to want to pick the cyclone type, then choose its closest match. We can click on the different types of cyclones below to see what they look like, to see if they resemble our storm. Now in this case, pretty obvious that this is an ice storm, so then we're going to want to choose the image down here that most closely resembles the image we are trying to classify. And in this case, I'm going to go with the third image in being the closest match. Next, I'm going to want to click the center of the storm, then pick the size closest to the eye edge. So I'm going to click in the center of the eye, and then choose the size that most closely resembles our eye size. So for our storm, I'm going to go with the second size in. Next, we have to choose which colors completely surround the eye, and in this case, it's going to be that aqua color completely surrounding the eye. Now we're going to use the measuring tool to see which color completely surrounds the eye that's at least half a degree thick. That aqua color isn't completely half a degree thick, so we are going to go with the light blue. Next, we have to choose the image that matches the banding feature. Now there is a little bit of banding going on in this particular storm, so I'm going to go with about a quarter. And there you have it. You have just classified an ice storm on Cyclone Center. You can scroll down to learn about the storm you just classified. In this case, it was Storm Violet. Possible wind speed based on our classification was 102 to 127 knots. You can also learn more about the wind speed and the pressure of this storm. You can go back up to the top and favorite this storm for later, or you could discuss the image or the storm on our talk page, tweet the image on your Twitter, or share it on Facebook. Lots of stuff you can do from here to share the storm image with your friends, or you can continue classifying. It is completely up to you. Just make sure to have fun with it and enjoy your time on Cyclone Center.